All right, so here is a video on how to upload your video to our YouTube page. So what you're going to need to do is that you are going to need to go to youtube.com. And then in the corner over here, you might already have an account under Gmail, but you're going to need to click on that and then switch accounts. And then it'll ask you you will probably have to add an account. And then from there, you'll need to add in this Gmail, which is OneLife Christmas Pageant at gmail.com. And then it will go next, and then it will say password, and the password is capital O-N-E, capital L-I-F-E, One Life Christmas, capital C-H-R-I-S-T-M-A-S. And then that will take you to the OneLife Christmas Pageant. So when we talked about before that when you record your Zoom call or your Zoom thing, it's going to save it automatically to your computer somewhere. For us, it's under documents and under Zoom. So that's important. You want to remember where Zoom saves your video, because when you go up here, you're going to go to this create button and you're going to push that, and it says upload video or go live. You're going to upload a video and you're going to select the file. And then mine is under documents and then under Zoom. And then I have to go all the way down to the bottom, and then I can click on one here, for example. And this was the one I used as an example in the last video, scene 12, child, which I know for sure that's the one. So I can click on that, and then it's going to take you here. Now, this is an important piece because you want to make sure that if you didn't already name it something when you saved it on your computer, here's where you want to make sure that you do that. You want to make sure that you put the scene number and then the character that you're playing, so that when Greg comes in and does the editing and putting everything together, that it will go in there. Then you can, if you want to, so this is the most important part, the title. If you want to say something down here, you can. You don't have to. Then you can scroll down and it'll ask playlists. We don't really have any. And then at the very bottom, it'll say, is it for kids? No, not necessarily made for kids. Then you'll click next. Now you can see it's telling you how much of it's uploaded. We're living in the country right now, so the uploading takes a real long time. But hopefully yours won't take that long. Then you can go next again. And we're going to make this public so that it's just easy to get. No one has access to this email except for us, this YouTube page. So this is just for so that Greg can make sure he has access to all of those things. And then you can push publish. And again, this is going to take a little bit of time. This will pop up. It's uploading. You can push close if you want to. You can check where it is. If you come over here to the left-hand side, you can click on videos, and you'll see that it is, it's downloading right now. In fact, it's halfway done right now, or you can see over here that it's doing that. So that is where it will be for you to just access if you need to, or Greg can access it there. We all have access to this thing, but once you've recorded it and had it all finished, that's how you're going to upload it to our YouTube channel. So hopefully that answers some questions for you with that one. You can do this on your phone as well, and I am going to check and probably maybe put a tutorial for that up as well. But hopefully that answers some of your questions, and then you know how to upload it up there.